Hello, my culture crew. Welcome to ACBB Culture. Down here, we choose culture over clouts. Before I start the video, make sure you go to acbbculture.com and check out the merch. Look at this. Rooted in culture, quality, stylish. Don't miss out. Today's video, Memphis Bleek goes crazy on Tony Yayo, saying that he's dependent on 50 Cent. What do you think, guys? Do you reckon Yayo is dependent on 50 Cent? Leave your comments below. Give me your intake. Let's go.
What does that mean for you to see 30 years of Reasonable Doubt, where that was your start? That was your call into the world.
It's kind of surreal, bro, because I never imagined we could take it this far. You know what I'm saying? My whole thing back then was we get a couple dollars, get a few outfits, some cars, maybe we chill a few summers. I ain't think 30 years later. Remember when Reasonable Doubt dropped, I was 18, bro.
Damn, that's crazy.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I like Memphis Bleek, yeah. He's always true. He's always stayed real, to Jay-Z. He's never really relied on Jay-Z. He's gone out his way to do his own thing. I think as men, sometimes we feel like somebody owes us something, when in reality, nobody owes us anything. I'm saying, Jay-Z don't owe Bleek anything. Furthermore, if it weren't for Jay-Z, like, Bleek wouldn't even be this big. You know what I'm saying? I think Bleek appreciates that. You understand that Jay-Z he threw him that, it's the seed. Jay-Z threw him the seed, and, he planted it and made something of himself.
Fucking 48. Wow. And we still doing it. That's why I even had to tell at the J, I don't think no other artist from our era, even before in hip-hop, can do what he did these 3 days. It's name me another artist that can celebrate their first album release before the generation today wasn't even born when Reasonable Doubt dropped.
Maybe one.
Who?
Snoop.
No, Snoop. I give it. Yeah, Snoop. Yeah, Doggy Style ain't gonna front.
Snoop.
He can do it.
Yeah, Snoop's been around for a long time, though. You know what I'm saying? Snoop Dogg's an old OG, this hip-hop thing, you know what I mean? But, shout out to Snoop, back in the days, I used to rock Snoop's music, man. I used to love it, you know what I mean? I used to listen to his music, dance to it, you know what I mean? Try and sing along, or rap along, should I say. Yeah, Snoop's an OG, man, you know what I mean? But this days, obviously, due to old age, he's a bit lazy, you know what I mean? I think he's made his money. He don't really care about the hip-hop like that, you know what I mean? He's more gimmicky now. It's like, for me, Snoop's more gimmicky now, you know what I mean? It's like, doesn't take things too seriously.
Probably Snoop. He's probably the only one.
Yeah.
From that era. He actually before y'all.
Yeah, Snoop, I give it to Snoop. But then who else? I was trying to think. I'm like, yo, who else can do this? 30 years, even if 40 or 20 years. Some people can't even do a 20 year.
Yeah, now sell out.
Not a venue that size.
No, just Snoop would be the only one I could think of.
3 nights in a row, and then you sell out Blueprint, and you let people know this is just the album. This is not like, yo, we playing around, we'll play a few songs. No, we're focusing solely on this project. I can't even do that. I can't be like, yo, we doing coming of age only. And he's like, you know what? We out.
Heard you can do that at Urban Plaza.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying, right? Urban Plaza, Marcy Day. You know what I'm saying?
It was dope that he brought out Nas, too. I thought that was dope. And the way he brought out Nas, because everybody expected Nas to do the hook, right? Nas wasn't there for the hook. The last hook.
Oh, yeah, and Nas, too. Like, these people are veterans. Like, these people, legends. And the really legends, though, because there was people way before that. But, yeah, Nas, I like Nas as well. Nas is one of my favorite artists still. Like, he's real hip-hop. You know what I mean? Real rap. Not these mumbling things that Lil Wayne be doing. Real hip-hop. I like Nas.
Hook and went right into Who's World. It was just, the way they did that was just
I give Jay
TT.
#1 transition from song to song at a show.
He should have been a
It's
DJ. Word.
It's insane that how he mixed rhymes with songs, beats with songs. It's yo, bro. I'm a fan still, and I always tell him like, yo, you never seem to not amaze me, bro. When I think what you gonna do next, you pull out something I wasn't even thinking about. Like the beat switches this show is impeccable, man. Like straight up.
When Yayo was up here, with Yayo's thing had what does he say? That
Jay-Z don't help nobody?
Jay-Z don't help nobody. Yeah.
Y'all been going at
Yo,
it.
say,
Yeah, I mean, I get what Yayo's saying, and I also get what, how Jay-Z works in it. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're both right in their own way, innit? No one's wrong here, but yeah, no one's wrong here.
Say 401k records, nigga. It's called Hold It Down, homie. Drop some heat. Niggas ain't paying your bills, cuz. That's what it is. Niggas can't compete. That's why they talk like that. If 50 said 1 year, these niggas will be in a shelter. They shouldn't be allowed to talk about us or anybody when you literally are a dependent.
Yeah, I get what Bleek is saying, because a lot of them men are like really dependent on 50, and especially Lloyd Banks. Lloyd Banks is a lazy man. He's a good rapper, but in terms of marketing himself, doing something for himself, he's lazy, innit? You know what I mean? And that's why him and 50's falling out, because he feels like 50 owes him everything, you know what I mean? Which he doesn't. Like, 50's helped him out a lot. That's why I like Yayo. Yayo appreciate even the small things that 50's done for him. And that's why he's still there now, because 50 recognizes that. You know what I mean? Yayo's a real one. Trust me, Yayo's a real one. Even like, what's it called? I think just Yayo out of the whole G Unit crew is the most loyal one.
Like, that shit is insane to me, man. Like, niggas can't even wear their jewelry without their boss.
Damn.
Show me a picture of Yayo walking around with his chain, the passport chain, without 50 Cent there.
I ain't never seen it. If any of you seen it, if you have, drop a comment or send a picture. Let me see what's going on, because I've never seen that neither, what Bleek is saying. So, I ain't never seen it. If you're seeing it, drop a comment.
I gotta see it. But niggas ain't taking care of niggas. You goddamn right they ain't. We take care of ourselves.
I think I heard Yayo say that you and which is crazy. He said you and Jay's friendship was more business. I've never seen it.
Well, him and 50 friendship is just.
Well, yeah, he's right in a way. It's business, isn't it? It's friendship, but business at the same time. So, I feel like Jesus does care about Bleek. You know what I mean? He just wants him to be his own man, innit? That's all it is.
Just financial.
Yeah, 40. Yeah, both 48 going back and forth with each other sounds crazy.
Yo, but I'm just saying, it's like, yo, what you want me to be? Yo, Jay, look out for me. I drop bombs. We got a new song out right now, right? No More, produced by Cool and Dre, Moving. When the last
Go and check it out, guys.
Yayo record?
I don't know.
He's a dependent. Of course, he viewed life through. Look out for me. I never looked at. Come on, Jay raised bosses, man. He don't raise dependents. We all bosses, business owners. No, I got a bar in the restaurant in Vegas. Tell him pull up and come eat.
Shout out to Bleek, to having his own businesses, and that's what it's about. Every man should start having their own businesses. Stop trying to work for other people.
Everything free on me.
He liked to travel and eat. When he was here, he said they go to all
We
the
got
places.
all
They
that
do
fly shit, escargot, all that. The bill is covered. We feed people on this side too.
He said the bill is coming.
Yeah, that's what it was.
It's covered.
He said Jay-Z doesn't support Memphis Bleek the way 50 Cent looks out for him. That was the.
But how?
Yeah.
Where's his records? Where's his businesses? Where's his do we even have a wait? Let me ask you a question.
He does.
Do this nigga have children?
I don't know.
Cause when do he travel with his family? When is family time?
He got
I don't want to hear this 50 Cent shit and Jay-Z shit. My wife right here, we just came from Paris rocking the
Shout out to Bleek's wife and the family. Much respect.
Chateau. My daughter was in there. Was in the room Leonardo da Vinci built. You know what I'm saying?
Word.
Like, my son just was at night one, Reasonable Doubt. Where's these niggas' kids? And you talking about somebody taking care of you. Who are you taking care of, man? True. Yo, we fucking 50 and you still want niggas to take care of you is insane to me. And the fans online think this is right. Arguing it. Yeah, Jay don't look out for Bleek. He's not supposed to. I have a job. I get paid well. How do you get a check and say, yo, I need a check?
But tell them your job, though.
I'm a boss.
I know, but I mean, you got a bunch of them.
Listen,
many jobs.
We do rap. I have 4 gold albums, by the way. 4. All gold, hanging up plaques. Successful albums. I have 2 restaurants. I have a label that was successful. Warehouse.
And it was at Rock Nation.
Shout out Casanova, free Cash,
right.
free my nigga Taxstone. We made moves, you know what I mean? We did what we did. Do say, moving, crazy, Mind Right Exotics.
Yeah, obviously, both of these people in jail, Taxstone and Casanova, innit? Yeah. Boy, you do the crime, you do the time, innit? I can't even say freedom. I wanted to say freedom, but I can't even say that, man. At the end of the day, look, you do the crime, you do the time. You just got to just ride it out and come out and start off again on a positive note.
In stores, crazy. Rock Solid Pop, shout out High Tolerance. In the streets, crazy. What? Yo.
Rock Solid Podcast.
Oh, yeah, my
Chance
bad.
and Black
My
Effect.
bad. I didn't even bring that up.
That's what he wanted you to say. That's why that was a setup for you.
Rock Solid
No, bunch of them.
Podcast on Black Effect, iHeart, Drink Champs.
Word.
Like, what more niggas want me to do? I know what I'ma do. I'ma start a daycare center for senior citizens rappers. Since they...
Oh, Bleek is funny, bro. You know, I like Bleek, man. He's a real one, still.
They want to be dependent and want people to look out for them, but only thing they gotta let me put life insurance on them. So if they die, we cash it out.
You get your money back.
God dang.
Straight.
Come to the end of the video. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Just a quick update. I'll be posting explainer videos at 8 p.m. GMT, which is London time. Don't forget, 8 p.m. GMT London time every single day. So don't forget to check them out. Have a good day. Peace.